Let's discuss the advantages and disadvantages of petrol and hydrogen as fuels for cars. Petrol is a liquid at room temperature, so it can easily be stored in a fuel tank of a car. Petrol is easy to store because it's a liquid, so it takes the shape of its container inside the car. Petrol is very easy to ignite. It easily releases energy to help move the car. These large numbers of red lines represent the large amounts of energy released by combustion to help move cars really fast. However, a major disadvantage with the combustion of petrol is the large amounts of carbon dioxide emitted. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas which contributes to climate change due to global warming, as the large concentration of carbon dioxide in the Earth's atmosphere causes the global temperatures to increase. Whereas hydrogen is a gas at room temperature, the particles move quickly in all directions. This makes hydrogen difficult to store. So for hydrogen to be stored in a fuel tank like petrol and to not escape too easily, the hydrogen needs to be compressed and or cooled so it becomes a liquid. This way, the liquefied hydrogen can easily take the shape of its container so it can be easily stored in the vehicle, because a hydrogen gas is very difficult to store and can easily escape, which is a major disadvantage. Just like petrol, hydrogen is easy to ignite. It easily releases energy to move the car. These large numbers of red lines represents the large amounts of energy released by combustion. This energy helps cars move really fast when using hydrogen as a fuel. A major advantage of using hydrogen is that there is no carbon dioxide emitted. No carbon dioxide emissions is a big advantage. This is because there will be less global warming. Whereas petrol emitting carbon dioxide is a really big disadvantage. This results in more global warming. Hydrogen burns in air to produce just water. That is the only product. Water vapor is the only product. This is better for the environment because less CO2 emissions means less global warming. This results in better temperatures for the Earth. So to summarize, the fact that petrol is a liquid at room temperature, this is an advantage. And because petrol is easy to ignite, this is another advantage. However, the carbon dioxide emissions are a major disadvantage for using petrol as a fuel. It's a disadvantage that hydrogen is a gas at room temperature. However, it's an advantage that hydrogen is easy to ignite, and it's a major advantage that hydrogen does not produce any carbon dioxide. Press pause to answer the questions, and the answers will follow. If stuck, just rewatch the video.